Right, we decided today might be a good idea to pony these two horses around a bit. Got a friend of mine, Nick, over here with one of our other horses, so he's going to work with one, I'll work with the other. My goal really is to teach him all the things that we would do on the ground. You know, can I move the shoulders? Can I back him up? Can I get him used to me being a lot higher than I am when I'm on the ground anyway? And already there's a few things I'm asking him to follow and he's sort of resisting there. But because I'm riding my horse, I can use this horse to help him learn not to pull. I'm going to work these angles and see if we can step in towards the hind, and I'm going to always tip the nose towards me when I get in there so that he doesn't kick my horse. And if we get this working, like the hind stepping away, then the shoulder should come through and I just crowd him and bring the shoulder through. Just keep this up again, move the hind out of the way, wait for the front to step across there and just stop and let him have a think. Yeah, it's a step that I was happy with. I'm not going to let him just put that rope under my horse's neck. Asked him to come up, he doesn't want to come, so I just get my horse to help me here. So, he's going to come up, ask him real softly, then take a wrap here. Probably wouldn't do this on the ground because I'm not strong enough to pull that horse around. But this horse is strong enough to pull him around if he doesn't listen. So there's not the same chance of me teaching something to the horse that doesn't work. To step across, stop going backwards, there, we'll just stop there. Bring this horse back and give Nick some room. It does bother him, it's third manure since he's been here, so I think I'm walking around quietly and he should be okay with this, but he's a bit sweaty coming out on his neck on the left side. 3 manures, so he's a bit emotional about it. Push through. That's, oh, I thought we had it then without the reaction, but we'll just keep working at this. So if I see anything shaping up that looks like it might be what I want, then I'm just going to sit here and stop. But while I can see him working hard at finding a way of doing the opposite that I'm asking for, then I'll just keep working at it. See, that was a change. Heads down, more relaxed. Once I get this working, I'll get in close and pat him all over. And can you step across? See that behind the eye here and pushing, he should just step across. That's better. Okay, don't go in front of my horse. So I'm just pushing on him with my energy there. The first thought was backwards, still backwards, still backwards. That's the one. And then that turns into too much forwards. Round I go again, riding around in an arc towards his rump. Move the shoulder. There. And I quit. See how many times I have to do this before he knows to move his shoulder forwards and around first instead of doing all those backward steps. Forwards and around, there we go. Look and chew. You don't need to check out the manure. Yeah. Okay, now I'm thinking of changing sides. So as long as I don't worry this horse, I'll lift up that rope, turn this horse around and change sides here. Rearrange everything, rearrange your ropes. See if we can get the other side working. In here and holding and riding until he sort of turns loose a little. Got the rope short enough in case he tries to kick my horse. Don't want you backing away. There was a bit better. Step in here. And you'll start, you know, on the other side, I hardly rode forwards at all like this before, I'll show you again in a minute anyway, before he swapped sides for me. Good, there. See if you have a think this time. Good, come on, let's go together. Forwards, good, that's it. So finally, sort of driving him forwards more now. That's good. Might have been really hard for you to follow what I was trying to achieve, but this is it, you know. I'm going forward, he's going with me. His shoulders are pretty well in line with me. Good, come on, don't worry about sniffing stuff. Let's go. Good, so this side we finally got together for a little while. So let him have a think.